typically the height I like to keep my Paw Paws maximized out at about 8 feet. That allows me to easily reach all of my fruit. If I'm getting any web worms, I can also easily pull them off. I like to keep my lateral branches about 4, 5 feet at the most from the trunk. I like to keep them off the ground 2 to 3 feet pruned up so that as these get heavy with fruit, they're not leaning down, touching the ground and getting funky. I like to have green ground covers, in this case running comfrey, that help create the coolness, the consistent moisture. Instead of having to mulch it myself consistently, I use green mulch. This young Paw Paw is very happy with very little care, but good design.